In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix problem where the game bar isn't recording on your Windows computer. First, open settings, then go to gaming section and click on game bar. Make sure the game bar is switched on. Then, click on apps on the left, then go to installed apps. Scroll down on the system components. Find Xbox game bar. Click the three dots next to it and choose advanced options. Scroll down to reset action and click repair. Wait for a few moments while Windows repair the game bar. Now, once that's done, press Windows plus G on your keyboard to open the game bar. Click the settings icon in the top, go to widgets, and make sure record in the background while playing a game is enabled. Also, make sure the audio setting is set to game or all. Then go to shortcuts tab and scroll to start and stop recording. Check that shortcut is set correctly. It should be Windows plus Alt plus R by default. Use this to start and stop your recordings. And that's it. That's how to fix game bar not recording on Windows 11.